Welcome students. Now students, today we will discuss some of the current affairs from the date 1st Feb to 7th Feb. So now let's see. Now the first is under the government's new vehicle scrapping policy, personal vehicles will have to undergo fitness test after how many years? Okay, so the answer is 20 years. Okay, now you can see the options now these are the details. Now under the new vehicle scrapping policy, personal vehicles will undergo fitness test in automated centers after 20 years, while commercial vehicles will undergo test after 15 years. So this you have to remember about the commercial vehicle also and about the personal vehicle. Now the next question is, RBI has projected real GDP growth to be how much in FY 2021 and 22? Now the answer is 10.5%. Now the Reserve Bank of India has projected the real GDP growth to be 10.5% in the year 2021 to 22, in the range of 26.2 to 8.3% in H1 and 6% in Q3. Now next question, the military staged a coup and took over which nation's government? So the answer is Myanmar. Now the Myanmar military on February 1, they staged a coup and declared the state of emergency in the country for 1 year. The military has also detained the state councillor of Myanmar, that is Aung San Suu Kyi, and several other civilian leaders. The move has been condemned by several countries and the United Nations. Now question number 2, the Chora Chori incident has taken place during which among the following Indian freedom movement? So the movement is non-cooperation movement, and this Chauri Chaura Kand took place on February 4, 1922 in the Gorakhpur district of British India. Mahatma Gandhi led non-cooperation movement was underway then. So that time non-cooperation movement was going on when this incident took place. Question number 5. The Defence Ministry has awarded the contract to manufacture 83 light combat aircraft Tejas fighters to which among the following companies? So the answer is HAL. So this defense ministry, they has awarded a contract to manufacture 83 light combat aircraft Tejas fighters to the HAL, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, at the Aero India International Air Show on February 3, 2021. Now the next question is, Jeff Bezos has decided to step down as CEO of which company? Now the answer is Amazon. So Amazon announced on February 2 that its founder Jeff Bezos will step down as CEO of the company during the third quarter of 2021. Bezos will transition to the role of executive chair of Amazon's board, while Amazon Web Services CEO Andy Jassy will succeed him as a new Amazon CEO in Q3. Now next, which space agency has appointed Indian American Bhavya Lal as acting chief of the staff? So the answer is NASA. Next question. Now I think the details are clear to you. This Bhavya Lal, who is Indian American scientist, so he was appointed by NASA as its acting chief of staff on February 1, 2021. Next question is, the United States has extended the New START nuclear treaty for 5 years with which nation? So the answer is Russia. Next question. Which Indian cricketer has been nominated for ICC Men's Player of the Month? So the answer is Rishabh Pant. When is ISRO scheduled to launch Gangayaan's first unmanned space mission? So here the answer is ISRO has decided to launch in December 2021. So these are the few current affairs from the date 1st February till 7th February. Now in next lecture we will be discussing some more current affairs. So thank you everyone.